equal to fractions? Hi all, Aditya Kamath here. Welcome to my channel AdiAdvik Tutorials. I had posted a video on numbers. If you haven't watched it, you can go watch it. The card is right here. In that video, I had mentioned that I will make a video on fractions and rational numbers. Today we are going to cover what are fractions, the types of fractions, and how to represent fractions. Even we are going to learn about rational numbers. Let's learn how to represent fractions and what are fractions together. Right? Let me take an example. Let's take a pizza, 8 sliced pizza, in which we are taking 2 slices. 2 slices. I took 2 slices. 2 slices of 8 slices. How many slices did I take? 2. So 2 is the part. And how many slices are there in total? 8, right? So you will say like 2 of 8 slices of the pizza. I took 2 of 8 slices of the pizza. If you do not know about fractions and rational numbers, you will represent it like this. But the people who know about fractions and rational numbers might represent it like 2 by 8 of the pizza. 2 by 8, which is the part by total. 2 is the part, 8 is the total. So part by total is how we represent fractions. Fractions are represented like that. But rational numbers are also represented like that. It's the same. There is a difference, and that too it was the question of the day last time. This time I am going to explain you what is the difference between these two. So watch the video till the end. Fractions are represented like part by total. Part can also be said as P or numerator. Total can also be represented as Q and denominator. Denominator is the total. 8 slices is the total, means 8 is the denominator. 2 slices is the part, which means 2 is the numerator. Let me say you another fact about fractions and rational numbers. Fractions and rational numbers denominator can never be 0. Never be 0? If it becomes 0, how will we represent it? If it becomes 0, we say the fraction or number is not defined. Let's take an example why 0 is not the denominator. Let's take 0 is the total. There are 6 slices in 0 parts total. 0 total slices, 6 slices in part. Then how can it be? You have 6 slices from 0, totally 0 slices. It cannot be true, right? See, how can you take 6 slices in 0 slices? It cannot be true, right? This is the situation. So 0 is not defined. It is not a number if it comes in the fractions and rational numbers. I mean, if 0 is present in the denominator, then the fraction or number is undefined. We have learned so many topics today. We have learned what are fractions. Since we have learned how to represent fractions, we will learn about still types of fractions, the bonus tip for you, and the challenges I will give you. So don't end this video right now and keep watching till the end. Let's continue. let's discuss about types of fractions. Let's take a category about fractions. There are two types of fractions. They are divided into two categories, like and unlike fractions, and proper, improper, mixed fractions. I will go through proper, improper and mixed. Dislike and like fractions I will take you through in my next video. Because it will be long if I continue with that too. I will explain in detail in the next video, in the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions and rational numbers video. So types of fractions, let's go through proper fractions first. Proper fractions are fractions with numerator smaller than the denominator. You have learnt about numerator and denominator, I had said before. Numerator is the upper part, which is the part, and denominator is the total. Like 1 by 2's part 1 by 2 is 1 is the part and 2 is the total. Like that. 1 by 2 is an example of proper fraction too, because 1 is smaller than 2, part is smaller than total, and or else it is like part is smaller than total, or total is greater than part. You can represent in either way. You can get to know about proper fractions by that way. Like part is smaller than total, then it is proper fraction, like that. Let's go through the next topic, improper fractions. Improper fractions are the opposite of proper fractions, and proper fractions are opposite of improper fractions. You can say it in either way. Then you can represent it like in improper, the numerator is greater than the denominator, or denominator is smaller than the numerator. Like in fractions like 3 by 1, 4 by 2. You can also take example as 10 by 4, like that. Those are improper fractions. Let's continue with the next type of fraction, the last type, the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction consists of whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number. I have posted a video on whole numbers, all numbers, which consists of all types of numbers. I had given you a card before. If you didn't get to know, you can click again here. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0 to infinite. Then you can represent it like 1 by 3. Is it a mixed fraction? Yes, it is. The condition only is the whole number and a proper fraction should be combined, like 1 by 3, 2 1 by 4, like that. It's so easy, right? Why we need mixed fractions? We use mixed fractions everywhere. Why we want mixed fractions when improper and proper are there? Let's take an example. We do fractions addition. If the sum is improper, then we convert it into mixed fraction, so that it will be easy for us to get to know in which whole number it will lie. If you take 10 by 3, you don't know in where it lies, in 3 to 4 or 2 to 3. How you convert it into mixed fraction, I will say it in the later video. By converting it into mixed fraction, you will get to know where it lies. Like 3 to 4 it lies. 10 by 3 lies between 3 to 4. Like that you get to know. So easy, no? It's very easy. I will post another video on operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the next video. Go watch it after I post it. Till then, be tuned. I forgot a thing. I also wanted to give you a bonus tip, which is uses of fractions and rational numbers. Your fractions and rational numbers are used all around. All around? In our daily life? Yeah, it's true. Let's take an example. Let's assume I am hungry, very hungry, and I am planning to do online shopping, and I see these prices. For orange, it is 30 rupees per kg. Apples are 200 rupees per kg. Bananas are 40 rupees per kg. And I want to make a simple fruit salad as I am very hungry. So I take oranges and bananas. Let's assume I take bananas and oranges. Let's add the bill, total bill, the prices. It will be 40 plus 30 rupees, which is 70 rupees. Is 70 a fraction? I had said before, fractions are used in daily life. Is 70 a fraction? It doesn't seem so, because the 70 is a whole number, natural number. It doesn't seem so, right? But I am wrong. 70 by 1, it is a fraction, improper fraction, right? Like that only. 70 is also a fraction. 70 by 1 is 70, right? So 70 is whole number, natural number, and also fraction. Because 70 by 1 is a fraction, and when you divide 70 by 1, it's 70. So 70 is also a fraction. Like that, there are many numbers which are fractions. All whole numbers and natural numbers are fractions. Now I come to the secret. The difference between fractions and rational numbers. All whole numbers, all natural numbers are fractions. All integers, all whole numbers, and all fractions means all natural numbers are rational numbers. This is the difference. Negative numbers aren't fractions. Negative numbers are rational numbers. Negative numbers are rational numbers, but it's not fractions. So easy, right? Just a simple difference. This is the end, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Wait a minute. Challenge. I forgot for your challenge. Today's question of the day is you should find fractions and rational numbers all around again. Fractions and rational numbers. We got to know, no, it's everywhere in all numbers. I am saying, like they use in the shops discounts, like 50% off, 20% off. That is percentage, right? But you should calculate and show that it is also a fraction. That is the question of the day for you. Are percentage fraction? You should find it out. So this is the question of the day for you. Bye for now. See you later.